Hey guys, Rico here from FindingUFO. Today we have a short clip of this fast-moving UFO that was caught on camera in Australia. So let's take a look at the footage and we'll talk about it afterwards. So guys, this is what I know about the footage. It was filmed on May 13, 2022 at Moore Park Beach, which is a coastal, rural town in Queensland, Australia. As you can see, the video is filmed in slow motion mode. The witness was trying to film the rain in slow mode when this object was sighted. Now, I have to say guys, this object was traveling super fast on slow mode. Imagine how fast it would have been at normal speed. It would probably be unseen to the naked eye. I have fast up the footage so we can have an idea of how fast it will be in normal mode. Judging from the distance, this would have been a large object as it's flying behind the trees. Unfortunately, the video is really blurry, but regardless, the speed and movement of this UFO is incredible. But what do you guys think? What could this be? In my opinion, it's too fast for a fighter jet, too large for a bird, and it can be a bug on the lens, as the object definitely goes behind the trees as we can see in the footage here. So guys, share your thoughts down below in the comments. After all, these videos are down to you to decide. The original source can be found in the description box of this video. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, press the bell and press on all to be notified when I upload. And until next time, stay safe guys, and thank you for watching.